Hi there. Hi there. What? Say what? What? Wait a minute. The name's Hank Hill. Yes. Is that you?
Yes.
Hey, I'm looking for a tap and die and some WD-40.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, thank you for calling Xbox Customer Support. My name is Sam. How can I help you today?
I'm Hank Hill.
I'm sorry?
The name's Hank Hill.
And yeah, how can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking for a tap and die and some WD-40.
I'm sorry, you're looking for what?
I'm trying to buy a tap and die and some WD-40.
Are you calling it considering I can hear in the background? Seems like I really hear you that good.
What?
Yes, I can't really hear you that good.
My God, are you still talking? Maybe I'm not getting through to you. Let's say I want a hammer. Do you know what a hammer is? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, now I can hear you perfectly fine.
What
And,
is that chinging noise?
Yeah, this is actually Xbox Customer Support doing no to play hammers. Do you have an Xbox that is having problems? Or
Yes.
do you have any inquiries about Xbox? Yeah, what's
Yes.
the problem with that? Or any towards the inquiry?
What?
Yeah, what seems to be your inquiry for your Xbox 360 console?
Well, I guess. Stop making such a big deal out of it. Now, where in the hell would I go?
I'm sorry.
Let's say I want a hammer.
You
What's the
actually
point in
brought up-
arguing?
I'm not arguing, actually. I'm just actually asking you.
I apologize for yelling at you. So, are you Chinese or Japanese?
I'm not a dude.
What?
I'm not a dude. Then what seems to be the problem with your Xbox again?
Let me explain. Well, what do you think?
You didn't actually give me any explanation.
Say what? Excuse me?
I'm sorry?
What are you turning into some kind of feminist? Feelings of fondness and more. Do you understand what love means? What are you talking about? Hey, I'm looking for a tap and die. Hi there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, so if you do have any concerns about your Xbox 360 console, kindly give us a call back at 1-800 for my Xbox. Again, thank you for
Yes.
calling Xbox Customer Support. Have a great night, though.
Where's the hardware department?